British citizenship applications become far more complex the moment children, dependents, or blended family situations are involved. And this is where many families make irreversible mistakes. Hello, my name is Lara Akinlude, and I'm the managing attorney at Larhdel Law. If you're planning British citizenship not just for yourself but for your children or your family, this video is essential. Today, I'm going to explain how British citizenship works for families, why children's cases are often misunderstood, and what makes some family applications far more complex than they appear. 1. Children do not automatically become British. One of the biggest misconceptions is that children automatically become British when a parent does. That is not always the case. A child's eligibility depends on where they were born, the parent's immigration status at the time of birth, whether a parent later became British or settled. Some children are British automatically, others must register, not naturalize, and some are not eligible yet. 2. Registration versus naturalization for children. Children under 18 do not apply for naturalization. They apply for registration as a British citizen, and the legal rules are very different. Registration can be an entitlement in some cases, a discretionary decision in others. Understanding which applies is critical. 3. Complex family situations. Create risk cases become more complex when there are step parents, separated or divorced parents, sole responsibility issues, children living across borders, gaps in immigration history. In these situations, the Home Office looks closely at parental responsibility, consent, best interests of the child. Immigration compliance assumptions here can lead to refusal. 4. Timing matters for families. Many families apply too early or in the wrong order. For example, applying for a child before the parent qualifies, applying simultaneously when separate timing is required, missing strategic opportunities to strengthen a child's case. Good timing can make the difference between entitlement and discretion. 5. Dependents and adult family members. Adult dependents and extended family members do not automatically qualify through a parent or spouse. Each person's case is assessed individually. This is where families often misunderstand the limits of British nationality law. 6. Why family citizenship? Planning must be strategic. British citizenship for families is not about filling out multiple forms. It's about sequencing applications correctly, reducing risk for children, preserving future options, avoiding refusals that affect the entire family. Mistakes involving children are especially difficult to fix later. When children and families are involved, British citizenship applications require careful legal planning, not assumptions. If you're considering citizenship for yourself and your family, getting advice before applying can protect your children's future and avoid unnecessary refusals. At Larhdel Law, we help families navigate British citizenship applications strategically with long term outcomes in mind. Thank you for watching, and in the next video, I'll walk through real eligibility scenarios based on real client situations so you can see how the rules apply in practice.